girl. From season 1 to season 2, handa na ba tayo? From CDO!
Yeah!
Tayo naging Beanie Aya, naging Jennifer Holiday. Ano kaya ang susunod na gagawin niya? Palapanan natin ang Beshi ng bayan! Hana Beshi!
Ay, Ray! Oh my God, where's my husband? Johansson is coming!
Huminga ka muna. Pupulutin ko ang iyong mga tips.
Woo!
Beshi! Okay, Hana Beshi.
Sana nag-gitara-gitara na lang ako. Hawak kamay.
Kapulot nga kami. Uy, salamat ha.
Oh, nag-enjoy ba kayo so far?
Yeah!
Thank you. Incubator, please, sir.
May 1,000.
1,000? $1,000?
Hindi 1,000 rupiya.
Ay, gusto ko pasalamat kay Gigi Era. Sa Era Entertainment. Kasi nadadala niya mga Rugas from the Philippines here sa Sydney. Sa iba't ibang parts ng Australia. So, thank you all so much.
Guning!
Diba gusto mo mga
Guning!
Siguro na ako dito lang Arizona Bonding.
Guning!
Sa Australia.
Oh my God! Yes! Arizona Bonding sa
So you have an audience.
3 months pa ang ko, visa ko.
Parang kaya ng November.
Hala! DJ Era gawin na natin.
Kuya sa'yo noon, Arizona band.
I can suck your dick. Back and forth. Left and right.
Kung makahanap mo na.
Oh! Ginger? Saan ka dito? Grabe.
Hana, ano yung, so far, your experience here in Sydney, what was the best part of coming here to Sydney?
The best part is...
Naging British. Naging British.
Pala yan. Sige, gusto niyo na Australia?
Yeah!
The best part.
Ang gago!
Then the best part is, sobrang first na nga dito and I've been to a lot of cities. Pero, sobrang bongga dito kasi sobrang diverse na mga tao.
Yeah!
Ang daming Pinoy! Parang naging siya, Philippines extension. Sobrang saya. And alam nyo guys, ito chikahan na dito. Fun fact ulit.
Fun fact.
Like, nalaman ko lang guys sa Australia, hindi uso ang tipping culture sa Queens. Pero ngayon, nandito kayo, mga Pinoy, at nandito kayo sa amin, that means a lot. Thank you so much. Kasi, feel namin na love kami, and kailangan din namin ng pera. Ito, pambilin ko ito ng kangaroo na keychain.
Actually, hindi talaga sila bayad tonight eh. Umaasa lang sila sa tip ninyo. So,
kaya ang sabi lang sa amin ni DJ Era, show ka sa Australia, ako bala sa flight mo, pero wala kang PM.
oo. Actually, hindi pa siya kumakain.
Actually, ang exchange na chuchupain na lang ako. At ako naman, DJ Era na yun, go!
Hana, ano ba yung mga kailangan nilang abangan? Kahit nasa Sydney sila, even though they're from Sydney, they live here. What are they gonna expect from Hana Beshi in the next few months?
Next few months, unang-una, magpapa-ultrasound na ako.
As a gout queen. As a
Oh my God! I would like to come out as PLG, as person living with gout. So, gout lives matter.
Ang gago!
I would also like to, my talent ako.
Ano? So, wait lang. Gusto niyo ba makita yung talent ni Hana?
Yeah! Guning!
I'm gumawa nito.
Ba't din dito sa Sydney?
Ay, ako din ba? Oh my God, such an international star.
Dahil dyan
Gusto niyo mag-guning ako? Ay, aside
Para!
You know what guning is?
No, I actually don't know.
Ginawa mo yung nagabi sa atin eh.
Okay, what's guning? Teach me.
Mariah Webster says.
Yes. Mariah.
Mariah, Pasko kasi ngayon, kaya Mariah Webster.
Mariah ba?
Christmas na kasi.
All I want for Christmas. Go. Guning.
Verb is an act of doing, like crazy facial expression when you are aroused.
Oh!
Okay?
No
You know what
translation.
guning is? I can teach it to you. I'm gonna demonstrate it.
Yes, please.
When you're in the climax,
Parang kulang pa.
okay, wait lang, Australian guning tayo.
Go.
Ay!
Like that.
Ano ba yun? Parang kulang.
Ano pa ba gusto mo?
Parang na... Ano ba yun? Dapat.
Gawin mo nga sa akin.
Okay, mamaya.
Wala, yun lang guys. Thank you so much.
Actually, before you go, kasi kanina, Gigi kissed a guy. Do you want to kiss anyone right now?
Oh my
I'm
God.
gonna give you, everyone's free for all.
Kung wala kiss, that's for me.
You have 3 seconds to choose. 3, 2, 1.
No! I don't want to choose, they choose me.
Yeah! Who wants a chance to kiss Hana Beshi?
May consent ako ha. Pwede mo ba mapakiss?
Oh, yeah. Anyone?
Oh my God! Meron!
Come here. Come on, come here. No, I'm not Hana Beshi. She is Hana Beshi.
You prank ka? I expect too much but you don't snap! Handa, are you ready?
Yes!
Are you ready? Wait, what's your name first? What's your name?
David.
David.
Hi, David!
Okay, ready ka na ba, Hana?
Handa ka naman sa kamandag ng Cagayan de Oro. Are you ready to have the best experience of your life?
Just to be sure, do you consent with a kiss?
I consent.
Okay, dahil dyan palapan natin David and Hannah!
So, super wholesome lang. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Ay, hello.
So, Shell and give me money.
Give me pizza.
I give me pizza, you know?
Dahil dyan ulit palapan natin Hannah Beshi!
Love you, Anna!
We are down to